Hi friends, my name is Tisha T and I teach children how to read and write English and Setswana. On today's video, we are going to read the CVC words. The vowel focus is A. Now, I want you to pay attention to this sound because the base sound of this letter is A. But in CVC words or short vowel words, the A changes the sound to E. And you should look at my mouth formation. The base letter is A, and it changes the sound to E. My mouth still drops. Let's read the CVC words. The sounds are going to change to E. Let's go. K, et, cat, b, egg, bag, s, et, set, v, n, then. Let's go again. K, et, cat, b, egg, bag, s, et, set, v, n, then. Now practice alone. Good job. I will see you on another video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.